So we continue again our lesson. By the grace, the Israelites enter to Canaan, and there is a Canaanite, which is the Rahab. Upon that, she helps the spies that Joshua was assigned. She is also receiving the grace. So she's not only saved by her life, but her family upon the time Israelite entered to attack the Jericho. So then it is we call a second chance or grace. There is also recognized that during the plagues, the 10 plagues, when the angels of the Lord strike the Egyptian, it is happened. There is Passover time that has been teach Moses that the in the doorposts of Israelites people or house, you should put a signs, a blood of atonement. So when the angel will pass by, will strike the Egyptian, the angels will recognize which house has a sign, a blood of atonement. So then many children of Egyptian was killed during the night that upon the angel strikes. My question is, do we have a sign in our doorpost? Do we have a sign in our home that we has been washed by the blood of atonement, by the blood of Christ? Is it in our life? Is it we bring also Christ in our home? That is very important. Part of our life has a sign, so that during the time angel strikes, there is a sign that we tend to be safe. So it is by the grace, of course. And this is blessings actually through faith, not by works. Yet works, it is important after the faith should be implied in our daily life. Most of all, return back and receiving the Christ. During the baptism, it is also part that we receive Christ. We receive the blood of the Lamb. Another things, not only baptism, but are committed for daily life, that upon the time we have been washed by the blood of the Christ, we have been forgiven. You might be have a sickness. You might be have a trouble. You might be have a problem. But by the blood of the Lamb, by the cross, we release you upon all your problem, your health problem, your financial problem, or whatever problem may you encounter your life, will not hesitate you from the Lord. By His grace, the blood of Christ will set you free, even starting from now. May it is our lessons that be imparted in our life. Shalom.